Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create task reports in Zoho Project, your 2025 full guide. Now, first things first, log into your Zoho Project account. Once logged in, navigate to the top bar and click on the Reports tab. The reason we do this is to access the reporting feature where we will create our task report. Next up, select the Task Reports option from the drop-down list. You'll find it under the Project Reports section. This helps us because it specifically targets the tasks, which is the focus of our report. Once you're in the Task Reports section, it's time to click on the New Report button. This will open up a window where you can customize the details of your report. Let me explain why this matters. The New Report window is where you'll be able to specify what information you want to include in your task report. Now that we've done that, you'll see various fields to fill in, such as report name, report type, and report criteria. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The report name is what your report will be called. Report type is where you specify if it's a task report, and report criteria is where you define what tasks will be included in the report. After filling out the necessary details, click on Save and Run. The reason we do this is to generate the report based on the criteria we've set. Once clicked, your task report will be generated and you'll be able to view it. And that's it. You've now successfully created a task report in Zoho Project. Remember, creating reports is vital to track project progress and identify any potential issues. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.